CSS has just one rule for main, but it's an important one. So in main CSS, which we didn't create yesterday, but we have our main component, right? Main.js. So let's make a corresponding style sheet. Main capital M .css. Before I even put anything in here, I'm going to go into main.js and make sure I remember to import it. And I've been following the convention of just importing my style sheet above my other components. Doesn't matter whether you do it before or after. I just like to be consistent so that it's easier to hunt through the list of imports. And in main CSS, I just have this one rule that tells it to use flexbox, and that the height of the main component should be 100% the height of the window. That's what VH is, view height. Align items stretch. When we looked at flexbox the other day, we talked about how extra space that's left over after all of the flex items have taken up as much as they need gets distributed. Align items stretch. If we look at flexbox, you can see what stretch does relative to these other things. They'll fill up the whole page. So they'll all be 100% height. Because you may have noticed, of course, that this sidebar looks terrible because it doesn't take up all the space that it seems like it should. Save this style sheet. And that's fixed. Yay. So that's our main CSS. Gives us our basic layout. Style, the main component.